We are pleased to show you the 2021 Accord Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 2-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, wireless charging station, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.